Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. Confirm the server is online and whether it's hosted locally or remotely, because that changes address discovery. Once done, note the Minecraft version and port default is 25,565, and make sure you have permission to join. Open Minecraft and navigate to multiplayer, then add server. This is where you'll paste the address. You're not just copying text, you're choosing the right entry method, so the game can resolve the host name or IP properly. Next, locate the actual server name or numeric address. If you control the host, open the server console or hosting dashboard to read the public IP or DNS host name. That's the primary address Minecraft needs. For local network servers, run ipconfig Windows or ifconfig Mac/Linux on the host machine to retrieve the LAN IP. Also open server. Properties to confirm any non-standard port. Make sure you copy hostname. Port exactly so Minecraft can connect without mismatch or timeout. Finally, add the server in Minecraft using the hostname or IP, including port, if not 25,565, then click Join. If you can't connect, don't panic. Use ping or telnet to test reachability and confirm the port responds. If network tests fail, check firewall rules, NAT and port forwarding on the router, and the server's whitelist or permissions. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable local firewall or run the server with default port to isolate whether.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.